So everyone, please get your GE2C and turn to page 23. Page 23. GE2C, page 23. So everyone, please listen.
Page 23.
There are 3 girls under the tree.
Who are they?
They are Ruby, Amy, and Nancy.
Amy and Ruby are sitting together.
Amy has a crepe in her hands.
Who has a soda?
Ruby does.
Ruby has a soda.
Look, there is a ladybug on the swing.
Nancy is standing next to the swing.
What is she doing?
She is looking at a ladybug.
Good. So now, 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 girls under the tree. So remember when we have under. So there are 3 girls under the tree. So remember there are. Okay, so there are, so it has to be more than 1. So you can see there are 2 boys near the tree. Or there are 2 boats in the river. There are 2 cows at the bottom of the hill. Okay, there are 20 desks in the class. There are 15 students in the class. There is or you can say 1. Okay, so there is a boy under the tree. There is a girl under the tree. There is a boat in the river. There is a tree at the side of the river. So there is or you can say 1. There is, and you can say, okay, 1 more than 1, like 3, 4, 5, and so on. So there are 1, 2, 3. 3 girls under the tree. Remember, teacher divide. Now question, who are they? Okay, who are they? So we can say, who are they? They are, and then you say the name. There are 3 boys in the class. Who are they? They are Jack, they are Tom, and they are Chuck, Tom, and Bob. There are 2 girls behind the tree. Who are they? They are Maggie and Cindy. Good. Okay, good. So who? Remember, teacher divide, say when you see the word who, W-H-O, it must be a person, boy, girl, or a person, they. Good. So who must be a person. Good. Amy and Ruby are sitting together. So they are sitting. So remember, sit. What are they doing? They are sitting, right? Sit. Good. They are sitting. Now this is together. That means close. Okay, so we can say it's together. Okay, close by, together. Okay, together, very close. Together. They are sitting together. So when you when you are having dinner, you sit together with your family and you eat together. Okay, good. If we are playing a game, we are playing together. Good. So they are sitting together. Amy, this is Amy. Amy has a crepe in her hand. So teacher Levi has a marker in his hands. Remember, remember we use her for girl and woman. Okay, girl and woman. So this is she, so we say her. Good. So Amy has a crib in her hands. Good. For example, if we have a boy or a man, remember he, so we say his. Okay. So for example, my dad has a key in his hands. Okay. Or you can see my mom has a book in her hands. Teacher Levi has a marker in his hand. Or you can say Ian has an eraser in his hands. Okay, good. Or we learn eggs. Okay, so you can say Tom has some eggs in his hands. Or you can say Tom has 5 eggs in his hands. Good. So now, Amy has a cream in her hands. Who has a soda? Who has a soda? Ruby does. Who has a cream? Amy does. Let's look at this picture. Good. So who has a bat? Sean? Sean does. Good. Okay, so who has a cream? Amy does. Who has a soda? Sorry, who have a soda? Who has a soda? So who has a soda? Hey, Ruby does. So who has a cream? Amy does. Who has a soda? Ruby does. Ruby has a soda. Look. So look. There is a ladybird on the swing. So this is a ladybug. So there is a ladybug on the swing. Look, there is a marker in Teacher Levi's hand. Oh look, there is an eraser on the floor. So remember one, so we're going to say there is. Nancy is standing next to the swing. So Nancy is standing next to the swing. What is she doing? What is Nancy doing? She is looking at the ladybird. So she is looking at the ladybird. What are you doing? I am playing. What are you doing? We are watching TV. What is she doing? She is looking at the ladybird. What are they doing? Talking. They are talking. Good. So, good. So now, Teacher Levi is going to ask you some questions. Now, number 1. Are there 3 girls under the tree? Yes, there are 3 girls under the tree. Who are they? They are Ruby, Nancy, and Amy. Good. Okay. Are Ruby and Amy sitting down? Are Ruby and Amy sitting down? Are Ruby and Amy sitting? Yes, they are. Good. Is Nancy sitting down? No, she isn't. What is she doing? She is standing. Good, so she is standing. Where is she standing? Nancy is standing next to the swing. Now question. Is there a ladybird on the swing? Is there a ladybird on the swing? Yes. There is a ladybird on the swing. What is Nancy doing? She is looking at the ladybug. Very good. I'll give everyone 1 point. Very good. Good. So now, very So we did our GE to see page 23. Now we need to go to page 16 and 17. Okay, so get out your GE workbook page 17. Now go to page 17 and 16. Good. So now this is page 17. Good. So page 17, we're going to write the words 2 times. Okay, so you have to write 3 times, sorry. So you have to trace carnival, C-A-R-N-I-V-A-L, trace, and you have to write 3 times. So C-A-R-N-I-V-A-L, carnival, 1. So you have to write it again, carnival, and 3 times. Okay, so you're going to do carnival, clown, cotton candy, lollipop, basket, ice cream, crepes, hamburger, and French fries. Good. And also Coke, milkshake, sundae, balloon, and baseball. Okay, so we're going to do page 17 and 18. You're going to write the word 3 times. Okay? Good. So this is going to be your homework. Okay? Good. So today we did our AS2C page 23, APP 2C page 35 and 36. We did IND, ILD, YE, I. Good. We did GE2C page 23 and also our GE workbook page 17 and 18. Now remember, your words are on the, look at. So for example, on the, there are 3 girls on the tree. Number 2, look at. Nancy is looking at the ladybird. See? The 2 girls, Amy and Ruby are sitting together. Sit together. Amy and Ruby are sitting together. Amy has a crepe in her hand. Soda. Ruby has a soda in her hand. Swing. Nancy is standing next to the swing. She is looking at a ladybird. So on the, look at, sitting, together, crepe, soda, swing, and ladybird. These are your new words, and everyone got 10 reward points today. Remember to stay safe and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.